Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ocha. I'm from 9B and I'm here to tell you how to make a chocolate pudding. Okay, so firstly we pour the chocolate pudding powder to the pan. And secondly, add 450 ml of water. Then cook and stir well until boil.
예. 어디? 나만 따라와.
Add 30 grams of shredded chocolate bar.
나랑 왜안 돼? 모두나 와 같이 기분 피는 르비. 기분 탓라 느낌 달아와 이너들.
Pour into the mold and wait for a couple of minutes before putting it in the refrigerator. And for the flour, prepare a bowl, the instant flour powder, 200 milliliters of hot water, and a spoon. Pour the instant flour powder into the bowl and mix it with 200 milliliters of hot water. After an hour or so, and your chocolate pudding is done.